All right, so if you need to switch over your ratchet to a direct bolt-on, if the webbing on here is too long, you need the bolt, you need to hook on right there. This is what you need. So we would normally send you these two sleeve spacers and then the bolt-on hook. So these are 19 mil sockets. So we just need to take off the old bolt. And the one sleeve on. Now I'm going to recommend that you do it hook downwards. That way you can still ratchet right here. Slide that on. And you need to get this one in there pretty much perfectly. And then I'm just going to tighten it back on. Flip these. And then tighten it up till it's snug, not super snug, because if you get super snug, this is not going to move too well. And that's about it. That way you can hook into your anchor point and then still be able to ratchet like that. That's it.